So I got another parcel today, and yesterday was my birthday, so as usual in England you get plenty of discounts and free stuff. So I got a discount voucher of Samsung, and I'm struggling to open it, from Samsung, and they were giving me 15% off. I think it was 15% off to get whatever I wanted. And because I just recently bought a Samsung Z Flip 5, I thought, why not get a case for it? I've already got a case for it. I'll just show you the case, and I got this one off Amazon. That's it. I got this one from Amazon. Now I do like this because of the fact that it's got this key here, so you can put your finger in it and your phone's secure and you know it's not going to fall. But I thought you might have seen on the internet and everything, the NFC cards. So I thought, it's not the NFC cards, it's the NFC case and card as well. So let's open it and have a look. So inside, so here's the box inside. Obviously you get your receipt in it, and there it is. Now I got this for it's for £42, and there's another set as well that's £44. Now I should have 2 NFC cards in there, and this is the Artist Collection suitcase for Galaxy Z Flip 5, and yeah, at the back of it. So it's got, as you can see, it's got 1 case and 2 of the NFC cards. I'd seen the other design, but I didn't like this. I'm actually glad I waited. And there are more NFC cards on the website. So if you want to buy it for your phone, they've got like different designs. Oh my goodness! Don't want to rip it open. Struggling. Oh, just 1 second. So I've opened it now, after all that. So let's have a look. So inside you get the case. And as you can see, it's a blue and white case. The other one's just a plain white case, and that only had that. I didn't like that one. So this is all new, by the way. They didn't have them on the website first when these case the Z Flip came. Oh, okay then. I thought I broke it. So there's a case. So it's like a hint of, is there glitter in there? It's not. It's just me. So there, yeah. That's another problem. There's no screen protector there. With my other case, there is one, but it doesn't matter. Let's have a look. And then this is the back part, but you can see there's actually glitter in there. So it's like, oh, that's cool. Glitter in there. It's also got like with these phones, they'll have some sort of adhesive, so it sticks onto your case. And I think the sides are reinforced there, as you can see, so that's good, like for falls and everything, so that's cool. Now let's see the NFC cards. Oh, I can't wait to see these. So I'm not going to show you the front, I'm going to show you the back first. So here's an NFC card, and you've got a little chip there or something. Yeah, it's a chip. And then I'm going to turn it over. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Look at that. It's a sturdy material. It's not like flimsy or anything like that. I can't wait to use this actually. So that's one of them that I got. And then also, again, same backing to it. And they're individually packed. And this is the other one. They're so bright and colourful. I love that. It's so cool. And like I said, you can go onto their website, samsung.co.uk, and you can get more of these. There's so many different ones, but this was the first one, NFC, and there was two more that come with a case, but they're just like solid colours, and I didn't like the solid colours one, and this was just one, and with the case, and that was costing me £42, but they've added this extra one. This one, that's an extra one there, so I actually can't wait to use them and see what they look like. Also get instructions on how to use it and how to fix it on, basically. So it says how to use slip art. Is it slip art? Slip suit card. Oh my goodness. Yes, I do wear glasses. And then you got the cover display. Can't wait to use this actually. But there's got instructions with it as well. So I've put it onto my phone. I'm actually going to keep this as a backup case because I like my one that I've got. And at the front, as I put it on, it said it was downloading. So let's have a look. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. It's there, isn't that so cute? And it's animated, and I don't know if you can see, there's water in the back, and the water's just moving as well, and there's hearts flowing. That is so cool. And I'll try the other one for you and show the other one as well. So that is, it's clear, the colour and everything is clear. Sorry about the reflection in the window, but yeah, that is so cool. I wasn't expecting that much animation on it and everything. So I'll put the other one in with the clouds and I'll show you that one as well. Oh, that's the same. But the front, if I can just turn it back on. So I've put the other case on as well with, oh my goodness, sorry about the light, with the new NFC card. Let's see, it was downloading, let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is so cute. It looks so fluffy. It's a fluffy cloud. I'm going to say something else, but it's like a bunny rabbit. Oh, that is so nice. So what you do is you turn on your NFC first, and then you put it in, and then it just automatically downloads the actual content, and then it's on your screen just like that. So that's really good, that actually. I'm actually happy with that, and it's so cute.